Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Shakira binti Muhammad Sharifin. I want to test to my lecturer and my friends. My metric number is B0623101889. My group number is 11. I want to present about introduction. The project Basic Electric in Daily Life focus on analysis and improve home energy effective using energy principle. It address global energy need by study common homes household applies basic cost statement and energy saving methods. The analysis using discrete mathematics and discussing basic approved ground in relative applies the electric through an effective practical.
Hi, my name is Alia Yasmin binti Yaakob. This slide shows example of common household appliance along with their power ratings and location in the house. In the kitchen, we have electric kettle that use 2200 watts, which is relatively high because it heats water quickly. Next, the electric cooker consumes 600 watts, also located in the kitchen to daily cooking purpose. In the living room, the television uses 200 watts, which is moderate and commonly used for entertainment. In the bedroom, an electric fan consumes only 5 watts, making it one of the most energy efficient appliances. Lastly, the washing machine in the laundry area uses 500 watts for cleaning clothes. These examples help us understand different household appliances consume different amount of electric power.
Hello, greetings. I'm Roshan B0623100680, and today I will be talking regarding about the series and parallel circuits. Okay, comparing in a series circuit, all of the components are aligned in one line in a single path. If comparing to a parallel circuit, the components are divided into many aspects and also many parts. Number two, in a series circuit, the same amount of current is flowing through all components. Meanwhile, if you see in a parallel circuit, the same amount of voltage is circuiting across all components. In a series circuit, if one component fails, rest all of the components will not get their current. But in a parallel circuit, if one component fails, rest of the components still continue working. As an example, in a series circuit, we can use an example as a torchlight. A torchlight is a connected single path component, which is a series circuit, and where the battery isn't there, rest all of the components will not do its work. As an example for parallel component, we can always use as our house wiring. If one fuse doesn't work, still rest of some components will still do its own job. So these are the difference between series and parallel components. Thank you.
This slide is show that the electric usage calculation in based on the 1 hours from a different household appliance. Electric usage is calculated based on the power rating of the appliance, appliance and the usage time. From the table, we can see the electric kettle is used a higher power. This is because it's designed to boil water very quickly in the short time. So they need to use the more powers, but actually is used for the short durations. Increase the electric cooker and washing machine is use the low powers. This is because they operate for a long period of time, but do not require to repeat heatings. So this shows the electric consumption depends on the both power and your dash time. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Shakira binti Muhammad Sharifi. I want to test to my lecturer and my friends. My metric number is B0623101189. My group number is 11. I want to present about Bain estimation. Application use. The application use are electric kettle, electric cooker, and washing machine. The energy uses. The total energy consumption is 3.3 kilowatt per hour. For the 5 hours, the total energy is 16.5 kilowatt. Electric cost with a tariff rate of Rm 0.6 per kilowatt. The estimation cost is 9.9 Rm. Conclusion: high per application use more electric. Control application use can help reduce electric bill. Thank you.
Alright, now we continue to our subtopic is energy saving in the simple electricity principle. Alright, we have four topic in energy of saving. So firstly, we go to basic electricity saving, and then efficient lighting, appliance use smart appliance, and the last is power monitoring. So we go first. We're gonna first. Right, basically the moment the amount of electricity used in domestic environment is in kilowatt hours. So which is the power in a watt multiplied by the time of use. One of the most important to note is that when the charge and other devices are not in use, unplug them to extinct the vampire power. This cannot be ignored since switching off gadgets still consume 5 to 10% of total household power through gadget circuit, which is increased bill and occurs unwarranted grid load. So research indicate that this easy measure can save 50 to 100 kilowatt hours per year in our home. So it is very clear and really saving to our appliance use. Alright, the second, energy saving. So we're gonna do efficient lighting, a replacement of incandescent bulb with LED save 75% of energy, because LED doesn't use as much electricity to produce heat, so they use it to produce light, further leaving light off when not present, so such as in room or home, and motion sensor. So we'll avoid as a benefit, we can avoid some waste. These steps are important as lighting consume 50% to 20% of domestic power, and idle bulb are also a waste of power due to constant power supply. So the families will be able to reduce annual expenses by 50 ringgit to 100, and reduce carbon emissions. So this is important. And the third is optimizing. So optimizing appliance like use smart appliance. So the first is they should not be stuffed but should be at a full capacity and with the coil clean frequently. Washer and dishwasher should be loaded at a full capacity, and use of a microwave oven instead of for the oven when preparing small meals. This measure will be critical because refrigerator use 10% to 50% of domestic electricity due to continuous power consumption by the motor and contaminated coil will increase.
Conclusion, this project helps us understand the basic principle of electric use in daily life. The electric consumption is depends on the power landing and appliance and how long it used. High-power appliances such as electric kettle are designed for a short time heating, while another appliance use a lower power for a long periods. By understanding this difference, we can manage the electric usage more effectively and reduce the electric cost at home.